Well, Luke did it again. He forgot to buy his mum a Christmas gift for the 4th year in a row. Not judging. In a state of panic, he hastily orders that kitchen appliance he thinks she needs via express delivery. And to his delight, it arrives just on time to wrap and place under the tree. Christmas is saved for Luke once again. But peeking behind the scenes, we see the actual heroes. The hundreds and thousands of drivers, mechanics and workshop managers working tirelessly to save Christmas for thousands of people like Luke. You see, for them, the holiday season is the busiest and undeniably the toughest time of the year, accommodating for last-minute orders and increased order rates. So try and avoid last-minute deliveries, as even an hour saved off the road or out of the workshop means precious time with loved ones. A big thank you to all of you who helped deliver the holidays.